Hey everyone, ScribbleMesh here with a ZBrush character creation tutorial. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will be guiding you through the process of creating an undead orc based on a concept by Lin Chang into a 3D high poly sculpt using ZBrush exclusively. We will start out by using an existing base mesh within ZBrush and molding it to resemble our concept. We will then dive into ZBrush's Z-Modeler brush to model the base mesh of our accessories and garments. Once we have established our initial blockout, we will then continue with sculpting our primary forms and learn a general understanding of basic muscle anatomy. Then follow through with secondary and tertiary forms of details into our high poly sculpt. By the end of this lesson, you will gain a better understanding of how to use ZBrush to create amazing sculpts, and gain the knowledge of what it takes to create a high poly character model from a 2D concept. Thank you all for watching, and talk to you soon.